In this video, we'll be going over how to add and edit text within the Design tool. Once you have your base product set up the way you want, click the Add New Text tab on the left sidebar. This brings out the Add Text menu, which has a lot of features you can use in your design. You can make your text bold or italic, adjust the alignment, change the font, the color, the letter spacing, or add an effect to your text. Once you click Add Text, you'll see it come up in your design. You'll also see a new tab on the left sidebar that says Edit Text. Click that tab while your text is still selected to make any changes to that text block. For example, let's say we want to change the font style. Click the drop-down font menu to open up our complete font catalog. There are hundreds of fonts to choose from, and we'll go over design tips on how to choose a font that works best for your design in a later video. You can search our catalog by name or keyword, font category, or alphabetically. Once you've found a font that works best for your needs, let's choose flavors, since it looks like it's made of water. Select it to change the text in your design. You can add an effect to your text using this option. There are many different effects to choose from, which we will cover in more detail in a different video. For now, let's choose the Curve Up effect. You can adjust the angle of the curve using this slider bar, and once you have everything set, click Update Text to add the changes to your design. To quickly and easily resize your text, click and drag on the double-ended arrow button on the lower right corner of your selected text until it reaches a size you like. You can reposition your text by moving it with your mouse or with the arrow keys on your keyboard. Let's add some more text to our design. This time, instead of setting it up from scratch like before, we'll save some time by using the Duplicate option in the left sidebar. You'll notice it adds a new text box with the same words and settings we already used, so now all we have to do is realign it and change the wording. It's a simple step that makes setting up your design even easier. Once you've finished setting up your text, you can add images to your design, which we cover in this video here, or click Add to Cart to be taken to your digital proof page so you can approve your proof and proceed to checkout.